What's up, y'all? So today what I need to do is actually lubricate with fresh grease the differential on my 2018 Ram 2500. Alright, so pretty much it's a little tricky to find, but that's what I'm here to show you. It's pretty simple. What you need to do is get you some equipment that I'm about to go over and pretty much find the exact grease hole that you need in order to go ahead and refill the grease in your differential, pretty much U-joints. So let's go over the materials that I have. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a grease gun of your choice. All right. I have an extension that came with it. All right, and you're also going to need an injector needle. Now, I grabbed all this in my local Walmart. It's pretty simple. Anyways, try and look for you just a kit that comes with an injector needle, and you'll be able to see it right there. Alright, what that pretty much is this. All you have to do is connect the needle into the hose, and voila. Alright, and this is the only setup that you need. Now let me go ahead and go show you where that needle point is. Which brings you close to the transmission pan. That's right here directly to my left. And you have the differential where you need to grease up as part of your first service, which is what I'm doing. Alright, now it's going to be a little tricky to videotape this, but I can show you from here where it directly is. So I have a flashlight directly straight ahead. Here's the exact spot where you need to get that needle and push in. So as you can see, there's a divot right there. And it's very difficult to see with my hand in the way. Anyways, you can see a little bit of red because that's where I ended up punching the points. Let me see if I can get in there a little more. Pretty much it is right there. You see that divot? There's a small hole that the needle will go. Alright, so essentially all you're going to do is pretty much use the needle. Alright, and what you're going to do is just pretty much push it up against that hole along the divot. Push it, alright, and you will see, and go ahead and just start greasing it up, alright, and then you'll know when you're done. Come around the side and see the grease coming out from there. Now I'm using the red grease, and so as you can see, there's some red grease that came out from the opposite end, which means it is good to go. Alright, so right at the tip of my finger, that's where it is. That is all you need. So as long as that grease coming up, you'll be good to go, and consider it done to ensure that the grease in the U-joint is good to go. And actually it's between the front differential and the transfer case, although you do have enough room to get the service done and use the needle in order to actually fill up the U-joint. Alright, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Also, if you're not a subscriber to my page, please support my channel by subscribing to me, and I'll be putting out more useful information for y'all every week.